early. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Heading out to Davenport. I'm gonna meet with Marty and the rest of the group, and we're gonna cruise to Central Florida Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna go have some coffee, check out the cars, maybe do some window shopping, see what's out there, and after that we'll get some food, cruise around, go take some photos, and we'll see. Let's go have some fun. Let's get a co-star going, yeah? My bad if the lights kind of suck, but you can see back there, it's kind of sunrise. Maybe you see Thomas back there following me on the EcoBoost. So why the red car? If you follow me on Instagram, you know that the blue car sold. Bye bye. Yep, it's gone. After the planetary broke at the track, and I took everything with it. I replaced everything, still had billet intermediate shaft, exceeded stage 2 clutches. I put everything back in the car was running good, and I put it up for sale, and a week later it was gone. And before y'all think, man, he boosted the car and sold it. Nah, I had that car for 3 years. It was tuned since the 1,000 miles. I had fun with it. Went to the track plenty of times. Went to the compound. Did some cone turning. Everywhere. The car went to Oklahoma. The car was boosted for a year. Saw some tracks. Saw a lot of fun on Boost 2. And the only issue with it was the transmission, because I didn't build the whole thing, right off the back. I just kept doing piece by piece. But the last time, I said, no more of this. But yeah, the car's gone. I kind of miss it, but then I don't, because I'm looking forward to seeing what's next. I've been kind of reading around a whole bunch of cars. Too many cars. Supra, Corvette, M2, I don't know, Z01, a whole bunch of cars. I don't know. I've been looking into a lot of cars. What am I going to end up? I have no clue when it's going to happen. I don't know. So, yeah, that's about it. Bobby's getting coffee for sure. And you got the whole pack.
Damn, you got extra.
What?
Damn, you got extra kids.
You got the whole pack.
Kids. I'm bringing everybody's kids. That ain't weight reduction.
Nope.
Make them get out. My school park over there.
We're out here, Davenport. Just waiting on the park performance guys. Ricky, where are you? Not even that big of a line. Travis, I don't know what you're whining. We're here, we're good. We're good. Look, little ass line. Last time I was back there when I got here. I was a little late back then.
Oh, am I smoking? I ain't gonna got on it too much.
Just one side or both?
Both sides. Definitely all.
Huh?
Definitely all.
Well, yeah, the end is covered. We got rid of my car, so somebody's got to pick up the slack on braking and shit. Nah, it's just a little bit of smoke. We'll figure out what it is. It's hot. Hot, hot. Oh, look at that. Saw some cars. Let's go get some food. Yeah, Marty. Still cars coming in, but it's only 9:30, but it's super hot, so we're heading out. We're not sticking around for this. It's gonna go, another car to go, there's not gonna go, so I'm just gonna move.
and we say bye-bye.
All right, man. Thanks for coming. All right, guys. So we're back. Just had some good breakfast. Left Cars and Coffee. Had a good time. We ended up here in parking garage. Javi taking pictures. And we got the RS3. We got a Subi. We got Mustangs everywhere. We got a badass truck over there. A little Odin kit. And just overall having a good time. Take pictures. That's what he does good. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun. Had my fun runs with the GT350. That's a E85 tuned GT350. I don't know if he has anything else onto the car, but the car moves well. And hopefully my car's good too. Had a little bit of issues with the smoking, but no big deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll check you guys out in the next one.
Wait, not yet. I'm gonna close the video showing some videos of the blue car since it's gone. We're never gonna see it anymore. Some of the videos you've seen, some you haven't, so enjoy since we're never seeing it again, right? Peace.
Couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. To the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude.